Hi, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about a new lesson. A new lesson name is Animals Living and Surviving. It is the fourth lesson. Animals living and surviving. Animals living and surviving. So it is the fourth lesson. So let's go to first activity. So first activity is get started. Get started. Get started activity. Circle the odd one out in each set. Circle the odd one out in each set. So here ODD means different one is there in the each set to find out that one. Okay, so first one, fish, turtle, dolphin, grasshopper. Fish, turtle, dolphin, grasshopper. So which one is different in this set? So here fish, turtle, dolphin. So both are the fish, turtle, dolphin. So these are water animals. Okay, fish, turtle, dolphin is water animal. Grasshopper is the insect. So grasshopper is what? Insect. So grasshopper is the different in this set. Okay. So then next second one, pigeon, ostrich, kite, peacock. Pigeon, ostrich, kite, peacock. So in this set, which one is different? Here, pigeon, kite, peacock. So these are the flight birds. Pigeon, kite, peacock. These are the flight birds. So ostrich is the flightless bird. Ostrich is what? Flightless bird. So here ostrich is different. Okay, so pigeon, kite, peacock, flying birds, but ostrich is flightless bird. And next, third question, lion, leopard, tiger, elephant. Lion, leopard, tiger, elephant. So which one is different in this set? Here, lion, leopard, tiger. Both are the fast running animal. Okay. So elephant is just only walking animal, and also elephant is heavy weight. Okay, and elephant have trunk. Elephant have trunk. So in this set, elephant is different. And next, fourth question, deer, crow, human, cat. In this set, which one is different? In this set, which one is different? So here, bear, crow, human. So both are the omnivores, but cat is only carnivore. So here cat is different. Cat is the different. So in the fourth set, cat is the different because cat is the carnivore. Okay, so that is get started. Completed this one. So I will give little introduction about this lesson. Okay. So my dear students, look at the blackboard once. In a while, what do you find there? What do you find there? Yes, you see a big animals there. You see a big animals. The name of those animals are dinosaurs. The name of those animals are dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, huge animals called dinosaurs roamed the earth. Okay? So, my dear students, now there are no dinosaurs. Now there are no dinosaurs. Am I right? Yes. So, can you find any dinosaurs in your surroundings? Can you find? No. Do you know why? So, scientists believed this happened. Scientists believed this happened due to suddenly changes Earth's climate. Suddenly changes Earth's climate. So they believed. It become very cold. They believed it become very cold. And the dinosaurs could not be adjust to cold conditions. The dinosaurs could not be adjust to cold conditions and died. Okay? So, in the natural world, a plant or an animal adapt itself to suit their surroundings. Okay? Next, adaptation. Adaptation. Okay? So, my dear students, you know adaptation? Okay? I explain adaptation. Adaptation means the process of changing to suit the surrounding is called adaptation. The process of changing to suit the surrounding is called adaptation. Okay? So, I am writing the definition. The process of changing to suit the surrounding is called adaptation. Adaptation. Okay, so it is the most important one, adaptation. The process of changing to suit the surrounding is called adaptation. Okay, so పరిసరాలకు అనుగుణంగా మారేటువంటి ప్రక్రియనే అడాప్టేషన్ అంటాం. పరిసరాలకు అనుగుణంగా అవి ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ అవి యానిమల్స్ కానీ మార్పు చెందుతూ ఉండాలి. అలా మార్పు చెందడాన్ని మనము అడాప్టేషన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు అడాప్ట్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు అడాప్ట్ themselves, okay, to their surroundings survive. So living things అయినటువంటి ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ యానిమల్స్ కానీ సో అడాప్టేషన్ అనేది జరగాలి. సో అడాప్టేషన్ జరగకపోతే ఏమవుతుందంటే దోస్ కెన్ నాట్ అడాప్ట్, ఏవైతే అడాప్టేషన్ జరపయో సో డై, అవి డైనోసర్ మాదిరిగా చనిపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో కాబట్టి పరిసరాలకు అనుగుణంగా మార్పు అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అబౌట్ దిస్ లెసన్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్, అడాప్టేషన్స్ టు environment. Adaptations to environment. Adaptations to environment. Okay, so first of all we are discussing the habitat. Okay, adaptation to environment. First of all we are discussing the habitat. So what is habitat? So habitat means the natural home of an animal is called its habitat. Okay, what habitat means? Nivasa sthalamu, the natural home of an animal, okay, is called its habitat. The natural home of an animal is called its habitat. Okay, the natural home of an animal is called its habitat. So animals are grouped according to their habitat. Animals are grouped according to their habitat. So first one is so terrestrial animal. First one terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animals. Okay, first one is terrestrial animals. So here terrestrial means, okay, so terrestrial means live on land. Terrestrial means what? Live on land. live on land. So terrestrial means live on land. So live on land animals called the terrestrial animals. So for example, terrestrial animals for examples. So here three types of terrestrial animals are there. One is horses, okay. Then second one is lions, okay. Then next third one is camels, okay. Horses, lions and camels. So these are these three animals are the terrestrial animals. So these animals have legs. These animals have legs to move. And these animals have lungs to breathe. These animals have legs to move and these animals have lungs to breathe. And also well developed sense organs are there. And also well developed sense organs and a nervous system. బాగా డెవలప్ అయినటువంటి సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అట్లాగే నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్ కూడా వీటిలో బాగా డెవలప్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ some animals like snakes, okay, some animals like snakes. So here snakes they do not have legs. Snakes do not have legs. They have plates. They have plates or scales. They have plates or scales. Okay. So here plates or scales help them to crawl. Okay. Here snakes plates and scales are plates or scales help them to crawl. వీటికి లెగ్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి వీటిలో ప్లేట్స్ అనేటువంటివి అవి క్రౌలింగ్ చేయడానికి పాకడానికి ఉపయోగపడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే. సో సమ్ యానిమల్స్ లైక్ పోలార్ బియర్స్ అండ్ ఆర్కిటిక్ ఫాక్సెస్. Some animals like polar bears and arctic foxes. Okay, so these animals are live in cold region. These animals are live in cold region and they have fur on their skin. So here fur means hairs. Okay. So these animals have fur on their skin. So it keeps them warm. They have fat under the skin and they have polar bears and arctic foxes have fat under the skin Okay, to be used as food in winter. To be used as food in winter. సో వీటికి వెంట్రుకలు అనేటువంటివి ఉంటాయి. వాటి యొక్క చర్మం పైన మొత్తం వెంట్రుకలు ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకంటే ఇవి కోల్డ్ ప్లేసెస్ లో నివసిస్తాయి కాబట్టి. సో ఈ వెంట్రుకలు ఏం చేస్తాయంటే వీటి యొక్క బాడీస్ ని వేడిగా ఉంచడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాయి. అట్లాగే వీటి యొక్క స్కిన్ కి కింద ఫ్యాట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, మొత్తం కూడా కొవ్వు ఉంటుంది. ఆ కొవ్వు వింటర్ లో ఫుడ్ గా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ we are discussing the hibernation. You know hibernation? Hibernation. Okay, hibernation means సుప్తావస్థ అంటారు. హైబర్నేషన్ ని తెలుగులో సుప్తావస్థ అంటారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ హైబర్నేషన్? సో సమ్ యానిమల్స్ లైక్ lizards and frogs sleep for several months to protect them from the cold. So this is called the hibernation. సో ఫ్రాగ్ కానీ కొన్ని లిజర్డ్ ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి కొన్ని యానిమల్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి అంటే కొన్ని నెలల పాటు నిద్రపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దాన్ని ఏమంటాము అంటే హైబర్నేషన్ అంట. ఎందుకు నిద్రపోతాయి అంటే టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ దెమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కోల్డ్, అది చలి నుంచి కాపాడుకోవడానికి. ఓకే, సో ద డెఫినేషన్, hibernation definition is some animals like lizards and frogs. Lizards and frogs. So sleep for several months. To protect themselves, from the cold. Okay, so this is called hibernation. This is called hibernation. Hibernation means what? Some animals like lizards and frogs sleep for several months to protect themselves from the cold. So this is called hibernation. Okay, so the skin of the desert animals is thick. The skin of the desert animals is thick and not very hairy. So it protects them from heat of the sun. సో డెజర్ట్ ప్లేస్లలో నివసించేటువంటి యానిమల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటి యొక్క స్కిన్ అనేది చాలా థిక్గా ఉంటుంది. వాటి యొక్క స్కిన్ పైన హెయిర్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఎక్కువగా ఉండవు. సో అట్లా స్కిన్ ఎందుకు థిక్గా ఉంటుంది అంటే సన్ యొక్క హీట్ నుంచి తట్టుకోవడానికి ఆ స్కిన్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay, so this is the terrestrial animals. Next, aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. So here aqua means water. Aqua means what? Water. Aqua means water. Aqua means what? Water. So aquatic animals means live in water animals. Live in water animals. So for examples of aquatic animals, one is the fish. And next, second one is snails. The next, third one is turtles. Next, fourth one is crabs. Okay, fish, snails, turtles, crabs. So these are the aquatic animals. These are the aquatic animals. And these animals have limbs or fins. Okay, these animals have fins or limbs. Okay, these animals have fins or limbs. So here fins and limbs help them to swimming in water. Okay, fins and limbs help to swimming in water. Okay, so and webbed like feet of a duck and paddle like limbs of a turtle. Okay, so these are help them to push back water. Okay, push back water while swimming. Push back water while swimming. And next, here fish and crabs have. Fish and crab. So these animals have gills. These animals have gills. So gills help them to breathe in water. Gills help them to breathe in water. Okay. So aquatic animals are fish, snails, turtles, crabs. And these animals have fins or limbs to help them to swimming in water. Okay, so webbed like feet of a duck and paddle like limbs of a turtle. Okay, so help them to push back water while swimming. And next, fish and crabs have, these two have gills. These two have gills. So here, gills help them to breathe in water. Okay, వాటర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి గాలిని పీల్చుకోవడానికి గిల్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఉపయోగపడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, enough for today. So remaining topics we are discussing the next video. Okay.